Hi everyone, I'm currently in Indonesia at a woodworking workshop on site. We're here to check on the current usage situation for the client's woodworking workshop. As you can see, this is the client's woodworking shop. The workshop is quite large, but the client is currently using a cyclone dust collector. A cyclone is traditionally used as a separator, primarily to separate large particles from small ones. The client has been using this system for many years, but as you can see, the results are quite poor. There is still a lot of residual dust on the floor, along with fine dust particles, and large particles are not effectively removed. So, the client invited us to the site to help with an upgrade and improvement. Later on, we'll assess the client's entire layout, and we will provide a new design plan. We'll continue to update everyone on the progress. Thank you.